In this short video, let's discuss how Claude's memory works, what it remembers, what it forgets, what the entire structure of Claude's just remembering some different things, and what are the options that can help us to improve Claude's memory. So the first thing is, once we go to settings and to capabilities, we've got our memory tab. And now we can enable two options. Search and reference chats, so we can allow Claude to search the relevant details in past chats, or generate memory from chat history. So allow Claude to remember relevant context from your chats. This setting controls memory for both chats and projects. And now it's important to know how Claude even remembers things. So it works on RAG. So retrieval augmented generation. And that means like Claude is a kind of a notebook. However, it saves the information inside the database and constantly it fetches that information from here. And what's very important, once we have these options enabled, which I really recommend, we can allow Claude to remember our chats. Because now there is a thing. If we have it disabled, like Claude still remembers the conversation, what we type inside and so on. However, once we end it, it forgets about it. But when we generate the memory from chat history and we allow to search Claude across multiple chats, then Claude's gonna remember our context. So let's say in one chat, you write something. Let's say I can write in a new chat some specific thing. Let's do this. Let's go to chats. Please tell me information about my company. And now I didn't give any details, okay? I didn't give any information and it remembers my company is DFA Course Academy. We've got 100,000 students across platforms and so on. So it actually used a memory to just retrieve that specific thing, that information. And that's gonna be super useful for you because you kind of train the entire Claude application on your data, on the way how you write, how you behave, and how to create content. Also, I prepared for you a document that's gonna help you with this topic. So memory, how it works, and how to use it. And now, within session, what it remembers, so Claude. Everything set in the current conversation, files and docs shared in this session, custom instructions, project, context if working inside a project. What it forgets when memory is off, so these options. Conversation history once the chat ends, personal details, preferences, past decisions, files shared unless re-uploaded or in a project, anything not saved to memory or project context. How to control it? You can use projects, you can use custom instructions, you can use memory feature, which is important, or new conversation, so clean slate, use to reset context. And the last thing, memory edits. So how we can make edits here and manage your memory, view everything Claude has stored about you, edit or delete individual memory entries, add facts, tell Claude to remember something, memory is transparent, you're always in control. So now let me even show you how you can control your memory, because under memory options, in the capabilities, you've got this specific tab and you've got the entire memory, basically like some context about you and about your chats, and then you can actually right now just edit it. Okay, so yeah, it works this way. You can edit the memory here, and now with all that being said, like it's not something really complicated. Just make sure to enable these options to use the full memory power of Claude, and then you're good and you're ready to go. And yeah, this is how it works. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.